You see, a lot of times we seek happiness within the eyes of someone, but happiness is a light that shines from within. Yeah. Only your heart knows the difference. She loves your smile. She loves your company. Anything to make it work. Now she is like your shadow. Batman's girl, Batman's girl. She's always there for you. She fell in love with your soul. Batman's girl, Batman's girl, Batman's girl. Her friends, her family prays for her daily.
Man, as I respect my boss. Alright, you are going now. Just to come check in, come here, tell you, say, we really want to be a part of the business. You know what I mean? I don't know if you can involve, how you can involve me. You're busy, you know, you forget. And you know what I mean? Just start check other people and you know what I mean? Because right now, some food I really want. Because I have some situation to deal with. I pick me one go to university, all these things. But it now work out to the way I want. So I don't know if you can help me out because right now, you know what I mean? I just start work. If I know some I work, I have a different mentality. But if I not work, it makes kind of different. You know what I mean? I know say you're king in the street.
Don't run up on me so next time, I hear that. And my thing is not no play thing where you come out, come join out. Join what? Eh? What you know about my thing? I was you tell about this. Eh? You think I play thing and everybody can just come in, so? Eh?
Your name big in the street, man.
My name big in the street?
Yeah.
That a for the street, not for everybody. Yeah? The street are not for everybody here. Arm tail. My thing arm tail. Lift up your answer to me.
So you know work out?
Work out what?
Alright, you are going, don't move. You hear me I say now? See? We need some cash right now. I don't tell some of my youth in the university and I have to get some cash today. So I don't know if you have money for in a vehicle or in a house. So make a choice. How you go?
We can deal with this.
No, we can't deal with it no way. So tell me how you go.
Alright, listen to me now.
Yeah, wait a
Just find that talk. Find
Find
something talk here, man.
No, I feel more safe for this. Because you can't do anything at the time.
My girlfriend have the money. I'm just call her.
Your girlfriend have money?
Yeah. I don't have no money for me. I see it. I don't have no money. I just be key.
So you call her?
I'm just call her and tell her. She upstairs.
She upstairs?
Yeah.
Alright, call her then now. So you call her girlfriend right now?
Yeah, man.
Hello?
Honey?
Why are you calling me honey? Oh, honey! Oh.
Yes, I come in at the door. You have, yes. I need some money. Yeah, man.
Alright. Okay, you don't just. Okay, I'll come in.
Yeah, man. Just.
Make sure it's not a joke thing.
Yeah, man. Good. Just find that out for me, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you something, man. You see, right now, I can't trust nothing in man. So just make sure it's money in that place there.
Everything
Everything in that place there.
is there.
Alright. Call the honey.
Honey? Tell me how much. So may I tell about babes? Tell about the code. Right there in my leak out, you know.
Make sure I'm dead.
Keisha, can I talk to you 10 minutes, please?
What, kuya? You make browning. Run me down another day. Look for me, so.
Keisha, I'm not come see you and I'm quarreling with you. I'm not come to fight you. Nothing like that. You see my bag where they take away? I have whole heap of important documents in there, especially my ID, my passport in there, my driver's license, TRN, NIS, everything. And right now, I have family who send money come give me a MoneyGram and I can't even collect it. And then not send it to nobody else.
I know my business that.
Please, I go want my ID.
Me dash for the bag.
You can tell me where you throw the bag, please, because I really need my ID. They're important to me. I can't do nothing without my ID.
And Maros, me dash away.
In Maros?
Maros.
Oh God, man, why make you do that? You should have just take out the money and just give me back my ID.
One thing, call my bad man. Make him come lick off your browning face. You make run me down another day. My bad man run the place. Run everywhere about here. Lucas.
Lucas?
Yes.
How you know him from?
My bad man that
Are you
for
baby father?
years.
You say for your baby father.
No
That
question me.
You're not fear going to ask, you know. Because I'm not doing nothing, I just ask a few little questions. But please can... Lord God, you couldn't just... Please can show me where Maros take. Because maybe I can go send somebody in.
We are on a bush run.
Me then wash
on a
off
back road.
and me put it for dry. Because me need my ID. Me in a
On
big
a
problem.
back road.
Back road.
Yeah, one way for going.
I don't know them kind of road. I don't know nothing with back. I pay front road me take. I don't like...
Really, this you call me about? Lift up from around here. Lift up, man.
Michelle, why me I call you from when I can't get you? No, me no no problem. You know, so I don't pick trouble with people. You see the same girl we take with my handbag? She gone with ID and everything in their passport, TRN, NIS, everything. Me want them to use. You don't know, so me see the girl yesterday. And me just ask her, please, just give me back my ID, TRN and them. You know them important documents, me need them. You know so we have to have them to do any little important thing. No, she not give me. You don't know why girl tell me say how she throw them in a Maros. Me don't know what me I go do now. Look for a sick name Maros. Be muddy water, dirty water. How me I go get back that? Then there's something I must soak and all kind of something there now. What me have to go through all of them and process it again to go back through and go look both them over. That hurt me so much. But you know me stay ready, coming in and warranting. You don't know so before the girl walk away. Eh? Yeah, girl. Before she walk away, she choke me in my face. No, I'm not lick her back. No, me can't, you know, me can't bother with doing something. I'm just so crazy about the idea. Me can't manage it. What do you mean if I'm sure I'm in trouble? You know if me don't want to torment people? Me ask her for my documents them. The girl choke me in the face. Simple. Alright. What make sure say? Make sure you see you. Make sure you say when you're there yard. I don't want to hear that. Make sure you say when you're there yard. Me see you. Because I have something to tell you. Alright, here. Credit are done, girl. You look too much long talking. Alright. Yeah, man, yes. Alright, cool. Alright, man. Michelle. Michelle.
May I come fit? Jeez. What kind of burning issue you have on the phone, so? Faith, what you say you have to tell me?
Michelle. You know, say me a friend for a long time, Michelle. I don't really want to tell you, but true where I come from far, I have to tell you. And now I'll keep this.
So tell me now.
You know, say the girl, Keisha. Same girl we take on my bag, man.
The same one when me run down on the road?
I never know her. And I don't know what she name. I find out that she name Keisha. Her right name is Keisha. You know, say the girl, they bat me up. After me go to her and simple say, I just ask her, please, if you can just give me my ID.
So Faith, you go to her and not call me? You really go to her, Faith, and don't call me? You lick your head.
I don't really go to her, you know. I pass and see her, and see her stand up at one bar, drink. It look like a boom. I don't know why in there, but the color it look like boom. Remember me tell up on the phone. Girl, such a see her over there now. I want my ID. I can't do without my ID. One man just tell me, say, go on over there, you know, and I go approach the girl nice, you know. I just simple say, I can't get my ID because I want it. Remember me tell her for a long time, so my family might send money for me. I can't collect it through the girl of my ID.
So why you never just make them send it to me? I would have pick it up for you, know me not rob you.
Michelle, you know me better than that, and you know my family them for a long time.
That's true.
They not go want to send no money in nobody else's name but mine.
That's true, because they don't trust people. Remember
Right,
they
you know what go on and what it go down between them and some people
That's
already.
true.
But listen to me I say now, put long story short. You know say, the girl will make me in a desperation right now. In a needs and wants to can have the ID. She not take boasting and not tell me about oh me a bad man.
Where is it?
Bad man. Name Lucas.
Name who?
Lucas. You know Lucas?
Faith,
Yes,
you don't
sure.
remember say Lucas my man name? You don't remember say Lucas at
But
them man there?
Look here now. Me know what your man name. Me know your man good me and your friend. But remember say enough people can have the same name. So
That's
when she
true.
say it, me still not think say is your man.
Cause I can't.
But
Lucas can't give me bun.
No, me not think of your man. Remember say you can name Faith and me name Faith. Yes, so me not tell me if you go in no argument with her enough. I go see your man and in no argument with your man. Because remember say more than one person can have the same name. But if you see what she did go on, like I said, she approved something to me. Like she want tell me something she can't tell you. You understand? Like she did give me one message. So that's why me I kind of look back and forth in it and I wonder. I wish Lucas in the talk about. If she have one Lucas for herself or a fear Lucas. Me don't know what
You know, me have to go meet with her. Because then again, me not think Lucas. No, Lucas could have never do me that. Lucas know me. Lucas know I'm a cook.
So why what? No, me not understand. Michelle, me go to the girls in the ID. No man, take this thing serious now. Me not say nothing to worry nobody, you know. Me just friend and friend we can talk. Me just a simple ask the girl about my ID and she come bring about Lucas to me. No, look into it. Me and your friend. Me they talk to her about my ID and she they talk about man named Lucas. Why she a tell me about Lucas? Me they ask her to my ID, she a tell me about Lucas.
A badness she a try put fear in her ears so me don't come back to her.
Girl!
That.
Me not even did remember. Before she choked me on my forehead. You know what she say? Oh, you think the other day, oh, you make your friend come run me down or whatever. All that she have in her head. My man tell me say it makes she choke me.
That girl they want somebody to retire, you know.
And that she tell me.
She don't know me now. Ask
Yeah,
me,
but you know, say me
today
did
I
want
start go to church. I mean, I try put on badness.
Please can put it down, nobody take up your back. You see me put it down, me no want, me not say never, but guess what? Me not say me not go take up your back, but me no want take up your back, but me have to try if you not take up your back. You understand what I say? Because you see, when you try to serve God, you can't do it by yourself, you know?
True.
You have to ask Him to help you and give you the strength. So my friend, you're like a sister to me. I'm glad that you did come to church with me. I'm going to have to come back again. Remember that makes you go on. Maybe a different look as she attack. Here. So anytime we go back to church again, no, you have to come. You know, see the pastor when they go on.
Look here, Faith, right now my head stop function. My heart. Look, me I wonder who that little dirty girl there, which Lucas she talking, you know. Faith, me I wonder, you know. Because she a work for me daughter, you know.
Michelle, what you say about your heart? You say your brain not function.
Look here, my heart just a go so.
Oh God. Faith, just pray about the situation.
My nerves are go bad.
No man, look here. Listen to me, Faith. Me and your friend, me no want you to put yourself in a no problem. Just talk to God about it.
It look like something wrong with your brain. Talk to which God?
God.
You see God I walk and talk to nobody?
Stop it, not talk like that.
God stop walk earth.
Shh, tap it. You sin when you say certain things. It's like you're blaspheming. Don't do that. That's what you read the Bible, you know.
You sin when you tell me to talk to God.
You not talk them kind of way because God don't like ugly. Don't talk them kind of foolish.
So me ugly?
No, me never say you ugly, but what the words when you come out of your mouth very ugly. So you need to stop. You see it as if when you come to church with me long time, actually you just start, you know. That's it. Me know so you can't just change in a one day. But gradually you can take time and change. Nobody see her and say nothing to her.
Yeah.
Then Michelle, you really take it too hard? It's not your man alone named Lucas.
But the fact that you say Lucas and you mention Badman. As so much Badman could have named Lucas?
Then Michelle, the fact still remain. The girl did not attack you and say me there with your man. So all you are going to confront
you know, I
her.
done this conversation and wrap up this year, man, because
I say you love that man there?
how many money you talk about?
Oh, sorry.
Every bad man give them woman money.
Remember saying in my neighborhood, the people in the yard, guess what? Uncle that me did come tell you. Me I run home, you know. Me just go and want you know. You understand? Anyway, no bother. Michelle, me know you stay, you know. Just hug me up, man, and stop and think. Then me kind of sit me there and stop think negative. Little more. Here?
I look me and Lucas go through. I know everything me tell you in the face. Me think them did that behave, you know. Me think them did that behave. You know?
Michelle, I go and you still at just figure out about the argument, no man.
Go on.
Go on in back because...
Go on, me lucky get.
Alright.
Faith, you know, so me almost dirt. Yes, because of the same Lucas.
Me can't hold you. Me understand. How are you? How are you? Take care.
Now she is like your shadow. Batman's girl, yeah. Batman's girl. She's always there for you. She fell in love with your soul. Batman's girl, Batman's girl, Batman's girl. Her friends,
Hello?
her family.
You know one girl named Keisha?
Who? Who? Keisha? Me no know Piers. Me no know Keisha. What are you talking about?
Oh hell no, Lucas, don't bull me. Don't bull me, Lucas. Don't bull me. Look here, don't make me shout.
What kind of thing you say I come to me with, man? Listen to me, me not talk to you about it sitting here already. They must listen to me, they must waste of time. I cannot call my phone. Go no Keisha. I don't know no Keisha.
Well, this named Keisha attacked Faith this evening and a shout and whatever, but that's not my point. My point is that she's saying that she have a bad man friend named Lucas. Now Lucas, so it could be a coincidence for somebody named Lucas and as a bad man?
Listen to me, man. Calm down, man, and stop the foolishness.
So you have a twin now? You have a clone? You know I'm not no long talking with you. Just come off of my phone. Come off of my phone. What you mean about don't shout at you? What kind of style? What happened?
Oh, you call.
Me? Lord God, you know say, remember me call up on a situation other day and tell you say one brown girl and one rasta girl run me down. I them checking me.
I mean, they check me out.
I the brown girl check me and tell me say anywhere she see me she go lit me down and she go kill me.
Listen to me, no, mama. You're mental. If you're into them people, just leave them alone. Here, just take the other side of them because you can't manage a problem.
After me,
Listen, man, listen to me now. I don't want to me and see your thing mash up, you know. I love a little thing where we are going with, you know. Here, just let them just stay far.
me not trouble nobody and them a threaten me.
Alright, sorry about that. Sorry to them actually. Because what's a woman in and them just a bit jealous. I'm glad you always hold a composure. Because I know you're like a fiery, you know. You know, you're like a bad girl. You know what I mean? You jump and a girl you forget, but you don't want that. You know what I'm saying? And the next thing is the bag where you take us from the woman. Care about those girls? No.
You should leave the girl no, you know man.
Listen to me now, man. I want other thing, you know. I say, if anything we say a law. You know what I'm saying? So just care about what girl know. I mean, I need to talk about this again. I mean, when I tell you something, I'm the alone there for some link me. Yeah?
Alright.
Long time when I get down for the issue, you know.
Alright.
Yeah, man, just follow there. Yeah, just really scope it out now.
Alright, no underwear, okay.
see, a lot of times we seek happiness within the eyes of someone. But happiness is a light that shines from within. Yeah. Only your heart knows the difference. She loves your smile. She loves your company. Anything to make it work. Now she is like your shadow. Batman's girl. Batman's girl. She's always there for you. She fell in love with your